Hi friends! Today we are working in a quarry, and to accomplish all of the tasks we need a mining bulldozer. Let's assemble the mining bulldozer and learn what parts make it up. Let's start with the foundation of our carrier bulldozer. On each side we fasten the tracks. They will be needed to move over uneven surfaces of the carrier. Done! Next, we're setting the dashboard with the steering wheel and the driver's seat for the bulldozer. And all of this we're placing into the cab. So, the cab for a driver of the mining bulldozer is ready. And now it's time to install the engine. And then the hood, which protects the engine and other elements of the engine compartment of our mining bulldozer from the negative impact of the external factors. But carrier is an unsafe place, so let's set the protection on top of the cabin. Lights, pistons, and rear hooks. And finally, and most importantly, the bucket of our mining bulldozer. The mining bulldozer is ready! A mining bulldozer is a very big machine. Height of mining caterpillar bulldozer is 16 feet. And the length is 41 feet. The weight of this monster is 142.5 tons. It weighs almost as much as the biggest animal, the blue whale. Due to its caterpillars, the bulldozer can even drive through the most hazardous surfaces. Just look! A mining bulldozer has a large capacity. This mechanism is used to transfer a huge amounts of soil at the short distances. In order to ensure continuous work of the powerful excavators and heavy-duty trucks in quarries, a bulldozer is needed. Its task is to keep the big areas and roads around the excavators in a working condition. Hi friends! Today we are working in quarry and we need to load and transport 5 batches of copper ore. To accomplish all the tasks, we need a mining excavator. Let's assemble a mining excavator and learn what parts make it up. Let's start with the main platform for the mining excavator. We attach the tracks to it. We need them to move over uneven surfaces of the quarry. Now, we need to install the rotary platform. With the help of this platform, the operator can control the mining excavator. And this is a boom. Let's attach it to a rotating platform. The boom is needed for the excavator to dig at a greater distance. It consists of two parts. The boom is attached to the excavator using the pistons. They make it possible to move the boom and the bucket. It's a great time to attach a bucket. Now we set the dashboard for the driver and the seat. And we place everything into the cabin. So, the driver's and the operator's cap is ready, but quarry is not a safe place. So let's set the protection on top of the cap. To make the driver be able to get inside the cabin, we have to install the ladder. Now the lights, front and rear ones. The mining excavator is ready. Mining excavator is a very big machine. Just imagine, its bucket weighs as much as 30 cars. On one bucket, it is possible to place 35 sofas. It's incredible! And now, it is time to accomplish our task for today. We need to transfer 5 batches of copper ore. For this, we will need the mining excavator and the mining dump truck. Let's begin the work. These machines usually work in pairs. The first one is full. Let's fill the second one up. The actions of the excavator operator and the truck driver should be synchronous. Now the third one. They have to dump the ground at a certain moment to not to swamp the mining dump truck. And now the fourth one. Done! And the last batch is ready. Let's see whether we have done our job correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trucks are filled up with the copper ore. Hooray! We made it! Hi friends! Today we are working in sand quarry, and to accomplish all the tasks, we need a mining dump truck. Let's assemble a dump truck and learn what parts make it up. Let's start with the base of mining dump truck. We'll fix the wheels to it. Front wheels, and double rear wheels. Now we need to install the seat and the dashboard for a dump truck driver. All of this we put in the driver's cab. The peculiarity of the dump truck is its body, which topples during unloading. So now, let's set the cylinders and pistons for raising such a body. And now the lights, front and rear ones. To driver be able to get inside the cabin, we have to install the ladder. And then, we make the fencing for the workers' safety. Also, for the maximum safety of the dump truck drivers, we set the rear view mirrors. Finally, and most importantly, the body of the dump truck. Ready! Mining dump truck is a very big machine. Just look at the size difference of the mining dump truck and the construction dump truck. A simple dump truck is 3 times smaller than the mining dump truck. And how small does a car look compared to the mining truck? Unbelievable! Just imagine, the size of the mining dump truck is similar to a 3-story house. The mining dump truck is considered the largest machine in the world. It isn't a joke. The length of the world's largest mining dump truck is 51.5 feet, width almost 29.5 feet, and height about 26.2 feet. And this monster weighs 237 tons. These machines usually work in tandem with powerful excavators and loaders and are used for transporting ore, coal, and other bulk materials from quarries on specially paved roads. Hi friends! Today we are working in a quarry, and to accomplish all of our tasks, we need a truck crane. Let's assemble a truck crane and learn what parts make it up. Let's start with the frame of a truck crane. We fastened 9 pairs of wheels to it. The first pair. Second one. The third one. The fourth one, the fifth pair, sixth one, seventh one, eighth, and ninth pair done. Now we have to attach a cap for the driver. For good stability of our truck crane while working, we will assign 4 retractable supports. Now, we need to install the rotating platform. We then fasten a second cabin for the truck crane operator. It will be needed to control the boom of the truck crane. The most important part of the truck cranes is the boom. We fasten the main boom to the rotary platform. In order for our boom to be able to become even longer, we will fix its sliding parts. The truck crane has 3 of them, the first part, the second, and third, and at the end of the boom we will hang a large hook which can be used to lift anything. Finally, we will install the pistons. And our truck crane is ready! The truck crane is a huge machine, but it differs from a normal crane, so that it can move on public roads because of the boom's ability to be closed into itself. Let's prepare the truck crane for its job together. And now we will prepare the cabin for the crane operator. we will pull a footing of the truck crane. Alright, we have 4 supports, so the crane has become much more stable and will not fall over. Due to the high load capacity and the wide variety of boom systems, it can be used in many situations. Construction of the truck crane is designed for very small time provisioning. The truck crane has a very long boom. When it is put together, our crane could reach the roof of a 7-story building. And when the boom is taken apart, the height of the crane is as big as a windmill. Incredible! Dear friends, it's time to say goodbye. Now you know how to assemble a working truck crane. Like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon! Bye-bye!